to my channel, and today I'll be reviewing Cryptolancers. This ICO platform focus on freelancing. You might have heard about Upwork, People Per Hour, Guru.com, and different freelancing platform. This is going to be on the blockchain, and the demo version is live. You can check it on Google Play and also on App Store. And the private sale is live, 50% bonus at 30 cents by CLT token. Now we can just scroll down and check the platform one after another. Let's go and check the Telegram. 26,632 members they have, and let's focus on the white paper. Let's focus on the white paper. Let me work on this. The white paper is 29-page white paper, all put together, and you can see maximum amount of token to be sold is 5 million out of 10 million. Minimum purchase is 1,000 US dollars. That is for the pre-sale one. And the pre-sale 2, the same thing too, you can find here. And the ICO is going to be 0.49 cents, around 50 cents. And you can see everything about it here. Well, for sure, the freelancing world keep going. It keep expanding, and more people are going to be involved with freelancing, and that's why I believe this project is very good and is unique. And let's check the Telegram. 26,623 members on the Telegram. I believe this is huge. This is good. They are still at the early stage of the ICO, and I believe as they go, more and more people will get involved with this ICO, and their community will increase. Well, I just want to bring you to the notice Cryptolancers network, and I'm going to drop the description down below for you to go and you can sign up for this ICO. But do not forget, anything I've said in this video is strictly my personal opinion. Do not take it as an advice. Make your own decision. Until next time I come your way, stay safe.